3, 2, 1. Alright, YouTube, the day has come to replace this PC case into this one, the Lian Li O11D Mini. Now for this occasion, I've got my new GPU, the Asus ROG STRIX 3070 Ti. I've got some Corsair fans as well as the Corsair cooler, which is down there. I cannot reach it at the moment. That was sponsored by Cortex Crew. Go show him some love. Link in the bio. Got some anti-sag bracket for the graphics card. I've got the iFixit to unscrew this, as well as some extra 8-pin cable for the GPU. So, Vision Gaming PC case, you did well. But now it's time to change and use the motherboard from this PC. Alright, so the first thing I'll do is to, of course, unscrew this case and try to memorize. I think I'm gonna be taking some pictures just to be sure where everything has to go where. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is, of course, to undo or get the motherboard from the PC case. Now I just need the right screw. Is it this one? Is it? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So give me an idea, like, should I use I'm not gonna use the GPU that I have in here in the near future. I think I'm gonna use it for a streaming PC. Should I do like a dedicated streaming PC? This PC case with the GPU could potentially be a streaming PC in the future. So would it be a good idea? Maybe. And here we have the LED strips. Disconnect this one. Come on, man. There we go. This is the red LED magnetic strips. I managed to detach all of the wires, and the motherboard is actually free. Now I will try to assemble the motherboard into this case. Alright, that took some time, but we got the motherboard in to the Lian Li case. Don't worry, the cooler will be replaced in a bit. I just needed the cooler, you know, to pick it up and place it in, and it took me some time, but we got here. Now I want to install the fan for the back, fan for the top, then the cooler, then the GPU, the last but not least the power supply. Right, let's get into it. Alright, it's been a couple of hours of pure battle to get those fans installed with the cooler, the Corsair cooler. I had to freaking start over because the back plate for the CPU cooler had to be installed at the back of the motherboard. Oh, it's done now. Now I just need to install the GPU, my 3070 Ti, and the power supply. What's up? Now I will show you guys when I install my GPU. And the power supply will be the last thing to install. And yeah, sorry I did not like record the whole process. It wasn't my intention to make like a how to build your PC, because this is my first time, yo. But yeah, I'm excited to put the 3070 Ti in, and yeah, let's just get on with it. Yeah. Oh my god, no, the wrong side. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Does it even fit like this? Wait, no. It should be up here. Oh no, you know what? I have to unscrew both of them. Alright. This fits perfectly. And now I just need to screw it. Like, holy heck. I was afraid that this GPU couldn't fit because of the motherboard, and although I was just too damn what do you call it? Careful. Now let's just get this bad boy tightened up. Hey, alright, so now the only thing that actually is needed is the power supply. But look at this. Got the GPU, the CPU cooler, the fans, the motherboard installed, and so on. Now it's time for me to plug in the power supply. The next clip would probably be this PC on the desk and me booting it up for the first time. Wish me luck. Alright, so it's currently 11:17 p.m., almost midnight. And it's done, I hope. I hope everything just works perfectly. Now this is my first time ever building it from scratch, except that the motherboard already was done because that was from my old PC, but with the fans, with the cooler, with the new GPU, switching case and so on, with the Lian Li. Let's try to boot it up. And yeah, I've been doing this since 4:30, so I'm exhausted, but hey, let's try and boot it up, and I will do a reaction for TikTok. If you want to follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, but it's in Danish, so be warned. Now, let's do the reveal. Her har vi den så. Resultatet efter cirka 6 timer. I kan lige sige hej til YouTube. Vi laver lige en reaction video. Tænder vi lige for den. Turning it on, YouTube. Oh, I see some lights. Woo! Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys. It's been, what now? Almost 2 additional hours. I couldn't turn on the PC, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. As I said before, this is my first time trying to build a PC. We have it here, and thanks to my good buddy Cortex Crew. Be sure to follow him. He's the reason why I have this, cause he helped me pick parts. He helped me freaking get this PC to work. Guys, show him some love. The link will be in the description for his YouTube channel. And let's look at this beauty. Alright, by the way, I am doing a reaction for TikTok as well. I'm going to be talking in Danish, so people can see the result of the PC on TikTok. And I'm going to be mentioning that it didn't work at the first time, second time, third time, fourth, I think like 7th time it worked because Cortex helped me. Let's go. Alright guys, her har vi det færdige resultat. Jeg skal lige sige noget, også til dem fra YouTube. Sig like til YouTube, hvis I gerne vil se fuld video på YouTube, link i min bio. Men den kunne ikke tænde, og jeg har prøvet 4-5 forskellige gange, men Cortex _crew hjalp mig, og en time senere fikset vi problemet, eller han fiksede problemet, og her har vi the result. Guys on YouTube, here's the result. Yo! Shout out to Cortex crew, thank you. And here we have it. Let me see if I can focus. Is it in focus? Oh, yo, there's some RGB in the GPU as well. But I don't think I want this RGB kind of color. I want it to be white, but there's like an app for it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It took me almost 8 hours to do the freaking build, but now I know how to build my next PC, maybe. Until then, I'll see you all again next time. Peace.